guys, welcome to my first behind the scenes video. I have just woken up this morning. I have not even put a brush through my hair yet, but I wanted to give you a little look into a day of filming a tap video. The reason I'm doing this is because when I was first thinking about doing tap videos, I reached out to a lot of other people who are doing tap tutorials on YouTube and was asking about how they filmed. I have no clue about any of this technical stuff. I didn't know what camera to use. I didn't know anything about lighting or sound. And you know what, honestly, and definitely not about editing. And you know what, honestly, I still don't, but I'm figuring it out as I go along. So I reached out to a bunch of people and just didn't really hear back all that much on the process and how they got going. And I know they're busy and I think everybody's just figuring it out right now. I'm wanting to get these videos out there to you guys to give you something to do while you're stuck at home and help teachers out a little bit along the way. So I decided to go ahead and make a behind the scenes video and we'll see what happens. Today is my filming day. I am first going to start out with another cup of coffee because I need another cup of coffee desperately. And then after that, I think I'm gonna try to shoot maybe 3-4 videos today, or at least partial videos today. I'm gonna go get some more coffee and I will see you on the next step. Hey, I decided instead of having a warm coffee, I would make a blended mocha, kind of healthy blended mocha, a little bit. It's got spinach, flaxseed, cinnamon, coffee, espresso. I just finished hair and makeup, so they are somewhat done for now. Next step, I need to do 3 things. Number 1, I need to clean up the area because I haven't done that in a couple days. So it's a little disheveled. Is that, yeah, that's a good word. And then I'm going to set up my equipment, and once that's all set up, I will show you what that looks like. And I need to get dressed because you know what? I'm still in my PJs. That's right. It's Sunday. Oh, by the way, it's Sunday, so I'm multitasking. While I was doing my hair and makeup, I was also listening to a live stream of a church I used to attend when I lived in Austin, Texas. It's called Austin New Church. You might want to check it out. It's a good one. Getting things done, moving and shaking, which is great. I'll check back in after I've, cleaned up, set up, changed my clothes, all that jazz. Okay, I am somewhat dressed, so I am ready to film, but I thought I'd show you really quickly what I did with my equipment. So I'm gonna turn the camera around. We have a Canon M50 on a tripod here. Next to that, we have a light. Over here, we have my laptop, which is where I'll have all the notes that I wanna do for each video. We have an extension cord leading over to this light, which is lighting my feet. By the way, we have this mic here. I'm not thrilled with this mic. It does all right for now, but I'm actually looking for something that will both pick up the sound of my voice when I'm teaching as well as the sound of my taps equally. Look how clean everything is. Isn't that nice? And then back here, we have another light to light up this background area a little bit. If anybody out there has tips for me on filming, please help, because I really have no idea what I'm doing. I don't. Any help with editing, oh my gosh, would be so appreciated. Yeah, just anything, any suggestions, go ahead and comment below. That would be awesome. I would so appreciate it. All right, so we're gonna start filming. Don't know how many I'm gonna get through today, but I'm gonna try to do quite a bit. Let's see, what time is it? It is 11:58 in the morning, so far everything I've done, and I haven't just done setup and all of that this morning. I've been doing some other things as well, but so far I've been up for now almost 4 hours, and I still haven't started filming anything. So we're gonna start at noon and see how long it takes. I'll let you know. This is what happens when I start filming. This little guy. Hello? Yeah, you want to be on camera, don't you? Okay, well, I just finished filming the intro and outro for 2 videos and realized I did not have the mic plugged in. So, I'm really hoping that the camera mic is gonna do just fine. Now I'm gonna do the actual tutorial and plug in the mic. Good idea, right? Mm-hmm. I feel like I'm crooked. I think it's probably a little crooked. Okay, so I have just finished filming 1 tutorial. I've got an intro and an outro to 2 different tutorials. I've just finished filming the content of 1 tutorial and I'm tired. So I decided to take a break and come sit outside. It is a gorgeous fall day here in Asheville in the mountains. So I thought I'd come sit outside, have some water, get a little break, and I'm actually going to be working on my computer. One of the things that I'm learning to do, yes, this is definitely crooked. Sorry about that, you guys. One of the things that I am learning how to do is keyword research. I think you guys know that one of the big purposes of my channel is to give back and give to people who are in need across the globe. So in order to do that, I need to get a lot of subscribers and a lot of views, and I need to have YouTube start ranking my videos and start showing my videos to people who might be interested in them. So keyword research is part of that. Yeah, so I'm learning all of this fun stuff. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now, some keyword research, having some much needed water, and I'm taking a break. So I'll get back to the second video, and it looks like today I'm probably only gonna film 2 tutorial videos because I'm finding that I'm losing a little bit of steam today. So I think I just want to take it easy the rest of the day before I have to dive back into my regular job and the work week. So yeah, I'll let you know how everything goes after I'm done. Okay, I am officially done. That is a wrap for today. I filmed 2 tutorial videos. You will see those coming out either this week or next week, or maybe both this week. It depends on how quickly I can get them edited, which is probably not very quickly because I'm not good at it. But it's almost 2 o'clock, so I spent, I don't know how many hours today doing this, but not too bad considering this is a video, and so I really filmed 3 videos. Now it's just getting on to the editing process. And I'm not gonna lie, this is what I'm doing because I'm pooped. I'm really tired. It's exhausting. So I'm gonna have my glass of wine, and then I might look at some editing tonight. I might not, I might just do it all tomorrow. But for now, I plan on binge watching a couple of TV shows, then getting some work done for my regular day job. I just wanted to thank you guys for hanging out with me today, and if you want more information about the behind the scenes, let me know. I can film more, I can give you more information, you can leave questions below. Anyway, I just wanted to thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.